Welcome to this video on Kinaxis Architecture. We will explore the structure and key components that make Kinaxis a leading solution for supply chain planning. Kinaxis Architecture is built on a powerful cloud-based platform designed for real-time supply chain planning and decision-making. At its core is Kinaxis RapidResponse, which helps organizations efficiently manage complex supply chain processes. Various job roles support Kinaxis, including consultants who implement and configure the platform, developers who build solutions, and business and data analysts who provide insights. These roles work together to leverage Kinaxis RapidResponse. In conclusion, Kinaxis Architecture is designed for modern supply chain needs, offering speed, accuracy, and flexibility. Its multi-layered structure supports concurrent planning and what-if analysis, enabling quick responses to changes and uncertainties. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please use the contact details provided on the screen.